Hey guys, it's Nunu, and I'm here with you in week 7 of the semester. And I wanted to remind you that I'm super active in all of our discussions, particularly the flash fiction discussions, any discussion where you produce original literary works. And I wanted to remind you to read what I post in the discussions, and if I ask you a question, please respond to it. Okay, let's look at what we've got here on our bulletin board and home. We have our windows, as usual, windows into people's lives through words. Let's click on week 7, and that takes us to discussion 5, Curtis Sittenfeld, who, by the way, is a woman, not a man. Sounds like a man's name, but it's a woman. Joyce Carol Oates and Sex Scenes in Literature, 60 points. Let's click on this discussion, and let me just scroll down a little bit here. And I do comment on discussions, and I usually have some kind of box with an animated question if I'm asking you questions, so you can see it right away. So be sure to respond to me, okay? Here's another box in the discussions. All right, let me go back into modules, and I want to just take us into our flash fiction, which was week 6. So all of my notes about your original literary work are posted directly in your thread. And let me scroll down and show you some of those notes. All of us are responding to the work, so it's really great. My notes will have usually some kind of animation in them so you can see them right away. Let's look at another note going down. Oh, I love this one, The Blooming Rose. Which I did for, whose story was that? That was Estefania's, because it seemed suitable to her story. I was thinking, what kind of animation can I post there? I'd like to do something that reflects what you write. Okay, so I've given you my note that I'm active in discussions. Remember to respond to me, and definitely read your notes. In Flash Fiction 1, I have this little note here telling you to be sure to look. Okay. And remember, I'm here in inbox. You're never bothering me. I love to hear from you if you have any questions or concerns. And of course, I keep my office hours, which are listed here in the syllabus. Let me just pull that up. Instructor and course information. If you ever need to see me in person, all that information is right here. Okay, I'm going to go back to home, and I'm going to wish you a good week, and I look forward to chatting with you in our discussion this week. All right, see ya.